We love barbecuing, and frankly, it is a great pastime, but sometimes it can be a little bit difficult, especially when it comes to high-end things like smoking, including brisket. And that's why when we found this company at CES, we want to talk a little bit about them. This company is Brisk It. It's a brisk and then IT at the end and a separate word. It's funny. These are like a smoking unit that literally is designed to take a lot of the guesswork and a lot of the energy out of what you have to do as a smoker. Not only does it use a pellet feeding system to keep the fire going and maintaining the temperature, but it also uses an LCD screen with adjustable controls to control the unit, as well as Wi-Fi enabling the device with the use of an app. It's incredibly handy and incredibly easy to use, and has a ton of recipes and suggestions that you can make in the smoker through the app and system. And on top of that, it uses Vera AI to help adjust and create an unlimited amount of recipes just for you. So once the device starts learning about what you like, what your tastes are, or what you can't have, it's going to adjust to make the perfect meal for you with your recipe, which is really awesome. On top of that, the unit is a 7-in-1 system that can smoke, grill, bake, sear, roast, braise, and barbecue. So you have a lot of options for your cooking needs. I even saw them talk about how you could put a pie in there, and you could cook a pie in the unit if you really, really wanted to while making your other dishes around the house, which might be a little helpful during the holidays when you're looking for any oven in the storm, right? It's currently available in 450, 580, and 940 square foot models, and all of them are beautiful and look great in any backyard. If you're really into the idea of barbecuing but you want some help, you should check out Brisket. And stay tuned for more of our CES footage.